Alright, Troy built pony modified to use the XL, the Troy built XL 46. So this is to modify it from the 42-inch deck. As you can tell, it's in sad shape, to the 46-inch deck. Okay, so there's a couple things that you're going to have to do. You're going to have to take those arms off. The lift arms off the XL. They're going to be probably black. If you don't, it's going to push the mower too far up to the front of the deck, and it's going to hit the pulley, and you won't be able to raise and lower it. And those are pretty simple to take off. You just got a bolt there, you know, then one on the other side, and then you're going to have the lift arm that goes to the back here, and then you're going to have the deck bolt up here. Usually there's a spring mechanism thing here. I think I probably took it off and put it on another mower, but that's about it. Other than that, it works great. Okay, and then too, you're going to have to get a A102. Seems to be the best fit. It didn't slip off at all. I only have one of these. The other side doesn't, but re-engaging it and engaging it and disengaging it with the A103, it did slip off, but with the A102 it has not. Alright, so those are for your modifications to go from the 42-inch to the 46-inch deck.